The benefits of using green tea for hair growth. Green tea was discovered in ancient China around 2737 BC. This has some fantastic health benefits, especially when it comes to fighting aging. The leaves are taken from the plant known as Camellia sinensis and are steeped in hot water to make a herbal tea. In today's video, we will explain why green tea supports hair growth and protects against hair loss with age. 1. One of the most common causes of hair loss is hormonal issues, also known as androgenetic alopecia. This affects 50% of men and 25% of women over the age of 50. 2. Green tea is extremely high in antioxidants including EGCG and polyphenols. These help to balance the hormones naturally and prevent hair loss. These natural compounds have been shown to help detoxify the liver, which helps to remove harmful toxins from the body. 4. As the liver becomes cleansed of harmful chemicals called endocrine disruptors, it is then able to balance the hormones and lower the risk of hair loss. 5. EGCG, the compound in green tea, also helps to prolong the androgen phase of hair growth and slow the shedding phase, also known as the telogen phase. 6. Essentially, this helps the hair to become thicker, healthier and more vibrant, and you will notice less hair strands shedding when you brush or use the shower. 7. Scientific studies show that EGCG can also help to prevent a buildup of DHT in the body. This is a powerful form of testosterone which has been linked to hair loss. 8. Many people also suffer with hair loss with age because their estrogen levels are too high. If you are overweight, your body produces more estrogen hormones, which can lead to further hair loss. 9. Luckily, drinking green tea not only helps to maintain steady hair growth, but also helps to shed excess body fat when following a diet plan. 10. The subtle amounts of caffeine in the drink helps to stimulate weight loss, while the chlorophyll helps to build blood cells. 11. The various antioxidants in green tea protect against free radical damage to the scalp. By reducing inflammation in these cells, you can lower the risk of hair loss. 12. Green tea has been scientifically shown to boost blood circulation to the scalp, so nutrients like silica and zinc can be used to make hair follicles. 13. Improving nutrient delivery by consuming green tea and other antioxidant-rich foods not only protects the hair strands, but also slows the effects of aging by protecting the skin cells throughout the body. 14. People who suffer with alopecia, a form of hair loss, can drink green tea 2 to 3 times per day to stimulate hair regrowth. Some studies show that this is very effective when also consuming lots of omega-3 fatty acids from seafood. 15. You can also use green tea as a natural cold rinse for the hair to fight the effects of dandruff and irritation to the scalp. 16. Its natural chemicals help to fight off harmful microbes and fungi which attack the cells of the scalp. This also improves hair texture and quality after a few weeks. 17. There are many different types of green tea available. We recommend Matcha Green Tea as this is the Japanese version that contains highly concentrated amounts of chlorophyll. 18. Chlorophyll is a natural blood builder and helps to strengthen the natural antioxidant network inside the human body for better delivery of nutrients. 19. Remember that green tea can only help to strengthen hair cells as they are grown around the hair follicles, so it may take many months to see noticeable improvements as new, stronger hair strands grow out of the hair follicle. In our other videos, we discuss the benefits of many other superfoods, especially herbs, spices and tonics. To learn more about nutrition and herbal medicines, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.